Hi guys, if you've not clicked on this channel before, my name's Darren and I'm a newbie to the canals, and I live full time on my 40-foot narrowboat, continuously cruising aboard the sloop John B. Unfortunately, I have 3 stowaways on board: Ik, Enid and Ahmed. So welcome on board guys. Please remember to like and subscribe to help my channel. Cheers guys.
Cruising the canal on my 45th sloop, John B. Cruising the cut is where I'll be.
Good morning folks, good morning. Today I've got to make a move because I've got to change my gas bottle, I've got to get some water, and I've got to head back up the canal to meet my dentist, make my dental appointment. The sun's out at the minute, but it's definitely going to rain today and the wind is picking up, and that's the one thing that's a nightmare on a narrowboat. Darn. So I've got my gas bottle out ready to exchange. I'm just going to cruise up the canal a little bit to Bollington Wharf. It's a Saturday, so I'm hoping they're open, and I'm hoping there's room for me to get in there so I can change my gas bottle and maybe get some coal. We'll see. But it's lovely at the minute, but it is going to rain. So just making myself a coffee before I head off onto the big blue. You never know where the tides will take you. I'm still getting that anxiety feeling before I leave. It's been 7-8 months now and I'm still getting it. It's strange, isn't it? I think it's just anticipation of what might happen. I think that's what it is. But it's a lovely day so far, so I need to get going before the rains come in. It's a lovely morning, absolutely lovely, loving it. Just great. I'm getting smoked out by my chimney though.
One of these days, they're gonna find us with our tails between our legs and our minds out of our heads. When our souls have stood the test, they're gonna find us. One of these days, oh, they're gonna find us with our tails between our legs and our minds out of our heads. When our souls have stood.
So I'm coming up to Bollington Wharf now. Just hoping I can get some fuel in that here.
Out on the road, looking for answers. But the further that we go, another fucking stretch of road that will lead.
So now at Bollington Wharf, hopefully I can get some fuel. It's very quiet though. I hope someone's here. Lovely little place. Brilliant. There doesn't seem to be anyone here, so I better ring this number. I've been here about an hour now and don't seem like anybody's coming. So I think I'll go back, turn round and head back up the canal. I got water. A bit of trouble getting around here. We've done it.
Back to Rome, oh, they're gonna find us. Some time ago I left my lady. We were young and we were strong. She was bold but I was wrong. How I miss her gentle songs. I wish you could save me.
This is beautiful, isn't it? It's freedom, guys. It's freedom. Not much of that left in the UK. This is great, so relaxing. No regular stresses of life. I get stressed about emptying my toilet and getting me gas and me water, which is nothing. Great, just great. Although I don't want things to go wrong that are expensive. This is just great. You're right there. I keep getting video bombed. Everyone's bombing me videos. I'm going past Famous Dave again in a minute. Famous Dave. Oh, such a nice guy. Riding along on the crest of a wave. Great. Lots of gongoozlers on the bridge ahead. That's the nickname for those who sit on canals watching the narrowboats. They're called the gongoozlers.
I put my phone inside the drawer. Don't need the signal anymore. The traffic noise is fading out. I turn the chaos inside out. The sun is hitting on the floor in a way it never did before. I'm unwinding like a spool of thread, pulling the noise out of my head. And I'm floating in a slow motion high, watching the heavy clouds roll by. I'm exactly where I'm supposed
seems to be picking up.
I'm floating in a slow motion high, right here beneath the paper sky. The dust is dancing in the beam. It looks just like a laser stream. My coffee cup is warm and still. I'm sitting on the windowsill. I feel the gravity let go. I'm moving soft, I'm moving slow. The past is just a memory, and the future hasn't talked to me. And I'm floating in a slow motion high, watching the heavy clouds roll by. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be, just a paper boat upon the sea. Yeah, the world is spinning way too fast, but I made this little moment last. I'm floating in a slow motion high, right here beneath the paper sky. Don't wake me up, don't shake the ground. I like
Jesus, that was a low bridge.
We were young, the world was wide. Two dreamers standing side by side. You drew your dreams, I played my song, and time just danced as we moved along. Every night beneath the stars, we swore the world would all be ours. But life moves fast and dreams divide. The heart stays still.
The clouds are closing in. Looks like it's going to rain soon. I've been quite lucky so far, I think. Could do with mooring up in a minute. And I've had nothing to eat. I forget to eat. I forget to eat when I'm cruising. It's so easily done. It's so nice.
Your voice still lives in the chords. I hear what I thought was fleeting. Came a love I carry forever. You chased the world, I stayed behind.
So I've just moored up, and it seems to be just in the nick of time because it's just starting to spit a little bit, so I think the rain's coming. But I have had a few problems, some niggly problems that I've got to sort out. The first one is my water pump isn't switching off straight away. It carries on after I've closed the tap for another 20-30 seconds. So I think there's a problem there. It might need adjusting a bit. So I'm going to have a look at that at some point. Also, my horns stopped working. So I'm going to have a look at that as well. It's normally water getting in it or a spider. But I'll take it apart and check the wiring as well. So that's another job. And another problem I've got. I was checking my bilges this morning and I've got water, not much. Probably about a centimetre of water in the rear right hand side. Last time I got water here, I was getting a leak through my porthole window from the rain on the outside, and I sealed that and I've checked it and it's fine. but I have noticed a small hole in my bathroom frame just on the top. I've put silicone in it. It only takes a small gap and rain can get in, and it'll dribble down the sides and into the hull of the boat. So I'll put silicone in it, and hopefully I won't see any more water. All my water pipes run behind these boards, so I know if I got a leak from my pipes, I'd get water coming out underneath. So I know it's not my water pipes. Grr. Yeah, so that is slightly annoying because you always want to know what it is that's causing it. But I don't think it's anything serious. It's not condensation because I checked it 2 days ago and it was damp, and then I checked it the day after and there's quite a bit of water in there. So I think it's definitely leaking through that gap in the window, but we'll see. I hope it is, because then I know what the cause of it is. So that's my water on. It should go off immediately, that really. Don't sound good, does it? But it's brand new. Probably just needs adjusting a little bit. I'll have a go at that later. Gonna have something to eat first. So I've treated myself to a rump steak, so I'm gonna have that with some sweet corn and some cottage cheese. Whoa. Cheers, folks. I've just texted Float Together Eric, because they're moored in the marina across there. I'm after some chocolate, but they haven't got any, so I'm a little bit gutted. I just feel like some chocolate. I haven't got any, and there's no shops anywhere. I'm desperate for chocolate. So I'm going to make myself some cookies. Next best thing, next best thing. There you go. Just one banana, oats, blueberries, peanut butter and some cinnamon. Nice. Good morning all. Sun's out today and it is a beautiful, beautiful morning. Just look at that. Although it is forecast rain all day again. In fact, it's forecast rain all week. Anyway, this morning there's a couple of boats behind me. Louise and Baz have invited me over for a bacon butty, so I can't miss that one. So I'm going to go over there in a minute to receive my bacon butty. Good, isn't it? Canal life, guys, canal life. Jeez, like the M6 here today. I'm bobbing around like a turd on the Thames. Okay, so this is Louise and Baz. I'm on their narrowboat, the Duchess. You alright, guys?
Hi,
Smash
guys.
the spud. Happy day. Thank you for the bacon butty. Thank you.
Love to see you.
And you.
All the best.
So that was Louise and Bazza from the narrowboat Duchess. Really nice to catch up with them guys. Yeah, they give me loads of support. Really nice people. Really nice to see them. And I had a nice bacon butty. I didn't film it because, well, I ate it quite quickly. But look what they give me. Look at that. A whole bag of fresh tomatoes. I'm going to have them later. What a beautiful day. And it's supposed to be raining today. It said rain all day. Come on. Ah. Just look at this weather. It just picks you up, doesn't it, straight away. Just makes it feel so good. My duck hatch is open for the first time all winter. And it's just lovely. And I've not even got my fire on. What a beautiful day. Doesn't it make a difference though, a bit of sun? It's just lovely. Happy travels! And that's the Duchess. Off to sunnier climates. What a beautiful day, folks. I'm just off to see if Danny and Charlotte are in. See if I can get another cup of tea. I float together Eric is our YouTube channel. See how they're getting on. Ah, they're not at home. Never mind. I'll have to make my own cup of tea. But that's where they're moored, here at Lineview Marina. Nice. Happy days. Hey, so that's the end of this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd like to thank my coffee buyers, Celeste and Kieran. You'll be on the water soon. Exciting days, exciting days. Also, Sue and Gary Wilkinson. Thanks for your coffee as well, guys. And thanks for your lovely messages as well. Also, thanks to Narrowboat Duchess for my bacon butty this morning. It was lovely. Really enjoyed it. Really nice. And what else is there? I can't think. If I've forgotten somebody or something, then just tell me off in the description below. Anyway, troops, stay safe, stay warm, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.
Cruising the canal on my 45th sloop, John B. Cruising the cut is where I'll be.